how to add buy now button in WordPress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how to be able to add a buy now button. So first things first, go to your plugins. Ensure that you have installed plugins related to having buy now buttons. So I have some plugins such as Easy PayPal or Stripe buttons, stuff like that. So ensure that you have those types of plugins, or you could even use plugins that you prefer. After that, go to the page that you want to add a plugin or a buy now button. For an example, for me, I have this sample page. Let's add a buy now button for this one. Click on the add elements and search for pay. As you can see, there's payment buttons and there's even payments over here. So let's simply click on add payment button, and then we could add a text, so buy now, as you can see. And now you're going to have to connect the corresponding platform. Of course, for me, I'm using a Stripe plugin, so I have to connect my Stripe to be able to make this work. But anyway, that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.